Hey, what's going on, everyone? Thanks for tuning back into my channel, The Always Improving Garage. So I'm sure you came across this situation before where you need to remove a rusty fastener. Maybe you've tried Deep Creep, maybe you've tried PB Blaster. Sometimes those work just fine. If you've tried a propane torch, you'll find usually those don't work very good at all. You've probably heard of an oxyacetylene torch. Those work really good. The thing is, with the bigger tanks, it's not very practical for a home DIYer to have that, and the ones with the smaller tanks need to be refilled more often. So what gives? Is there any other solution? I think there is. That's where the induction heater comes in. This one's the mini ductor Venom, and it's made in USA. So I'm going to show you guys this working. This does take a little bit longer than a torch, but it will get this glowing red hot. It's heating up right now. I'm watching it from the side. It's starting to glow red already. Let's leave this on a couple seconds longer. Oh yeah, that looks good and hot. Okay. There it is. It's glowing red. So right then, if you took your impact out, you should be able to get that fastener out, no problem. I like the induction heater because there's no open flames. So say if you had something you need to remove near a gas tank or something, this would be a really good option. Plus it's nice and portable. And there's nothing to refill on it. I'll leave a link to this product in the description. That's going to do it for this one, guys. Thanks for watching.